I want to go and see Vax. My mum said, should I go on the Hoover Adventure?
Time to go on a dinosaur adventure! To the time of Stegosaurus!
Today we're going on a Hoover Adventure. My car.
Right, we go to Hoover Adventure.
Yeah.
Let's go. Right, we're going to Hoover Adventure, Henry. Right now, me and Henry are going on a Hoover Adventure. Go, Henry.
Can't open it.
No Hoovers?
No. What will we do? What are we going to do?
I don't know, what do you want to do?
Find some Hoovers, but I can't see any. Where are Hoovers?
I'm not sure, Henry. We need to keep looking. I'll walk down first, Henry, and you follow me.
No.
You're okay, Henry, I'll just stand here a wee bit. No Hoovers?
No.
Me and Henry are looking, but we can't find any Hoovers yet. No sign, Henry? Henry, what happens if there's no Hoovers?
Because can't find them.
And what happens if we can't find any hoovers? What happens if we can't find any hoovers, Henry? What happens if we can't find some hoovers? I don't know what happens if we can't find hoovers, but lately we've been going to hotels and not finding hoovers, which is not good, isn't that right, Henry?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you have to say to Jackson?
Is
that right? Henry's only 3.5, remember? So
Where does Jackson live?
Jackson lives in Northern Ireland.
Northern Ireland. Where does my other friend live?
They live across the internet.
Internet.
Yes, the internet. Okay, let's go and look for some more hoovers, and if we can't find any, we'll just go have our dinner.
On the person.
Yeah, this hotel's called the Smugglers Inn, so their mascot is like a parrot at the front door. So we'll go look at that in lieu of the hoovers. Yeah.
And the next day, we just go tell the words of Bailey Hoovers. Daddy.
Here, hold my. Yeah. Right, go and look at the parrot. Go and check out the parrot. What noise does a parrot make, Henry?
He has a gun
Yeah.
and a sword. And what is that? Treasure?
Treasure, looks like it.
Treasure? So that's... He would...
Henry, what do you think of the parrot? What do parrots say? What do they say?
I'm gonna kill you.
No, they say, "Arr, me hearties."
Ah, my heart.
Me and Henry had a great time at Smugglers Inn, but we didn't find any hoovers. Sure we didn't, Henry?
Let me see the parrot.
But there's a parrot there, Henry. But we saw the parrot and had great fun looking at him. And now we're going to go get something to eat. Mummy will be disappointed.
Get hoovers.
Does it? Right, go and tell Mummy what happened.
Then find anything.
There was none.
No. So now see the parrot.
I saw the parrot. The signal type of thing. No. Oh, that's rubbish.
What's the moral of the story, Big Mummy?
The moral of the story is that
We could go into hotels and not finding hoovers.
we're going at the wrong time.